Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 and the Nissan GT-R. We'll dive into what makes each of these performance machines unique. The CLA 45 brings a potent four-cylinder engine and agile handling to the table, perfect for spirited drives. On the other hand, the GT-R, often called Godzilla, boasts a legendary twin-turbo V6 and incredible all-wheel drive grip. We'll explore their strengths and help you understand which might be the better fit for your driving style. Let's get started. When it comes to raw power, both cars impress, but in different ways. The CLA 45 AMG, with its 2.0-liter engine, generates an impressive 416 horsepower, making it incredibly quick for its class. The Nissan GT-R, however, steps up with a 3.8-liter V6, pushing out over 565 horsepower. This significant power difference means the GT-R often boasts a faster 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration. It's a classic battle of agile precision versus brute force. Beyond straight-line speed, handling is where these two truly differentiate themselves. The CLA 45 AMG feels incredibly agile and responsive, making it a joy on winding roads with its precise steering and advanced all-wheel drive. The Nissan GT-R, while heavier, uses its sophisticated all-wheel drive system and advanced aerodynamics to achieve phenomenal grip and stability, especially at higher speeds or on a track. Your preference will likely depend on whether you prioritize nimble fun or ultimate track capability. Considering practicality and value, the CLA 45 AMG typically comes with a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for many. The Nissan GT-R, with its supercar-level performance and engineering, usually sits at a higher price point. Both offer exhilarating experiences, but your budget and intended use will heavily influence your choice. Ultimately, both cars deliver incredible performance for their respective segments. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.